135 miles, 135 degrees.
There's no more extreme Cantori story than this race.
Cantori Stories, Sunday night at 10, only on the Weather Channel.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or newspaper.
Are you weatherproof? Weatherproof, Sunday nights at 9. Now, your local on the 8s.
Currently in our area, 63 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, isolated thunderstorms ending early, becoming clear after midnight. Areas of dense fog, low 44. Winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. And on Friday, areas of dense morning fog, mainly sunny, high 69. And Friday night, clear skies, low 42. Winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The week ahead. Traffic congestion for our area.
Weatherproof. Weatherproof.
Threat to air travel. Lately, it's birds. The full story next on Weather Center. Hey, good evening, everybody. You're almost there, almost to Friday, and then right into the weekend. But we got to get through some active weather first, and of course, more coming this weekend. We'll talk about that. 7 confirmed tornadoes from last night, 1 deadly across Arkansas.
I'm Chris Warren, and this is Jim Cantori, obviously, and our severe weather track is now taking us farther to the south. This was the scene earlier. Jim, that's Orlando. I mean, that was just a nasty day today. You need your umbrella. No one's on the playground, for crying out loud.
Yeah, that's miserable.
Very miserable day. Tough out on the roads. Meanwhile, things are looking a little bit better right now in Orlando. We have a live look. Right now, the temperature currently, we are in the upper 60s. We have a nice little evening going on right now after kind of a stormy day. Traffic's moving along pretty good there, and Jim has more on what's happening in the southeast. Jim.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, in case you're just joining us for the third hour here at Weather Center, this is the Orlando show. And, it's 68, as he mentioned, by the way, in Orlando, but it's also in the 40s in Milwaukee, a half mile and fog. You've had fog issues all week. And look at Mike Chesterfield. He's our meteorologist behind the scene. We need the Chesterfield cam here. Notice he drew the X back here behind the low. So we're getting into some meteorology in through here. This is the upper low center, inducing a new surface low, which you see there in the L, the cold front, and that is helping to bang out some new thunderstorms in through here, south and east of Shreveport. Look at how rapidly these are developing. This does not look like a tornado situation from the atmosphere. You kind of look at the atmosphere as Greg Forbes does and say this looks more like hail potential, wet microbursts, heavy rain, and some gusty winds coming out of this one. So we're going to keep an eye on those storms as they develop. We may actually get a watch. It may be a night of watches in this area. We take a look at the northeast, and that yellow area there, if you go up to the legend, is over 3 inches of rain. 3 to 5 inches of rain over the next 48 hours, all the way from D.C. up through Philadelphia. There will be some urban flooding, not to mention some stream and river flooding as well. We'll continue to update you on this and certainly the dangers that lie as we go on through the hour. Your coast-to-coast forecast coming up just a moment. Right now, let's head down to the newsroom and Chris Orlando Warren.
Jim, a series of strong aftershocks shook Chile today.